माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सदगुरु को आज उस 15 सदस्यीय समिति के अंदर एक विशेष सदस्य बनाया है जो सदी से मानवता के संदेश को लेकर चलेगा। मैं पुनः सदगुरु के चरणों में नमन करते हुए और उनकी सोच को प्रणाम करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
I would like to acknowledge the present government. I'm a little technologically. For all of you who worked relentlessly for Rally for Rivers, I want to tell you that many major steps, policy steps have been taken to fulfill this promise of reviving India's rivers. I can't go into all the details. One major thing is 84% of India's water was being consumed by agriculture. Now, this year, for this year's budget, 5,000 crores have been allotted for micro-irrigation, which can bring down water consumption by nearly 50% for agriculture. And for revival of Yamuna, 300 meters of plantation on both sides of the river, a few hundred crores have been allotted. And I'm sure our minister has a hand in all these things. And for the revival of Ganga, planting about 25 crore trees is on for this year. Just now, we've been called for a meeting on 7th of June with the Karnataka government that to plant 25 crore trees along Kaveri banks is on. We are part of that movement. And as a part of setting up treatment plants, I think some 6,000 or 7,000 crores have been allotted just in the Ganga region, that our minister, Sri Gadkari, has promised that in a year at least 70 to 80% of the pollution will be gone. And I've been saying this is all it takes, just 1 or 2 years of action. We don't need to clean Ganga. If we don't let in the effluent, the sewage doesn't enter Ganga, if we take care of this, if we turn sewage treatment into a profitable business, it will be done in one season, she will clean herself, we don't need to go and clean her. So that is happening, and he has promised within a year's time, 70% it will be cleaner than what it was last year, and I think it's definitely going to happen. So we congratulate the government for taking these steps, far-reaching steps, which are not election-winning steps. These are very far-reaching steps. We must congratulate and appreciate this. And every government in whatever states, all these governments need to take these steps. From those of you who come from different parts of the country, I want you to keep up this awareness and pressure on the local government so that they also take these steps and make this happen. Thank you very much. If all of you just, for 3 seconds, if you just put on the plastic cover, we'll take a photo shoot for you. We won't trouble the minister with it because he's a doctor. This is a promise. You are wearing the mask to express that we will not make this little girl suffocate in future. We are going to create a better climate for her, she wants to. We can go. Namaste. Thank you very much. But they didn't send me an invite.